All right, guys, real quick, we're just going over the math journal homework quiz from chapter one. Like we said in class, it's really important that you look at your homework papers and in your journal for your correct answers. Um, can't stress enough that last year we had kids just doing the homework quiz like it was homework and still getting wrong answers. There's no reason you should get anything wrong on this because you have all the answers. You've graded all your work in class. So, again, there's no excuse for you or us to mark anything wrong on your paper. So, just things to don't forget in case you didn't do in your journal. This is from a homework problem in your journal. It wants the area and the perimeter. So, make sure you write them both. And don't forget to label your answers because you'll lose a point. All right, I don't know why I wrote an EN. See ya. The next problem, again, you drew these in your journals for homework. It was a homework problem. Um, I think it started with like a two, three, four-sided figure. You just have to put the ones that you drew. Question three, again, this will be in your journal. Um, it's from lesson 113. If that helps you find it easier, 18 should be in lesson 113, which you should have labeled in your journal. Question four here, again, is in your journal right after this one, the previous one, and it was the figure that had started out like this. And I think it added one to the top and one to the bottom and one to the middle each time. So again, we just need how many dots are in the 100th figure. Question five, again, they should be, it was homework, but the homework was, I believe, in your journal. Um, Again, you're just supposed to write the decimal for the words like this, right? 35 hundredths, three's in the tenths, five is in the hundredths. I can draw again today, not good. Boom. So that's your first start there. You should be able to have the other two. Again, double check it with your homework. Make sure you get the right answers. Last one here, after completing problem 134, what did you learn from the lesson? This is from the bean lesson that we did in class. It's not from a homework. So again, it's when we were replacing and drawing by random. You should have a statement in there or something of what you learned from the bean lesson right there. So do your best if you didn't write anything down. All right, the second page here on the back is kind of things you got to use your notes. In your journal, you have notes for the signs. Um, just look in your front of your journal, those math notes that we stapled in there for you. And if not, if you have your math book, these are on page 33. All right, page 33. And again, they're also in lesson 1, 2, 2. If you're on the online textbook and you don't know what those signs mean, you can find them right there. The next one is, again, look in your journal for place value notes. They should help you out there with these. These are not in your homework. We're just seeing if you can use your notes to figure out the place value. If you have your book, they are on page 14. Um, and if not, you can check your notes again there. And I'm flipping through here. I want to see what lesson it's in. And it's in lesson 1.1.3 there if you want to look it up online. Again, the next one, just drawing a rectangle with the area of 14 square units. Make sure you show the area, and again, don't forget to label. Area and perimeter notes in the book are on page 10. So that would be lesson 1.1.2 if you want to click on the online help. And then the last one right here, here's my little note here, homework, use 1-39 problem. And I'll just double check real quick to make sure and see if that is a problem that we had. is not the same problem. It's like the two problems from 1-39. So again, find the pattern, and then we have the two extra lines there to make sure you explain. So um, didn't really give you any answers because you have all the answers tonight. So good luck. Should be an easy A. Please don't let us down like our students last year. Um, get your A. It's a quiz grade, so that helps your grade because quiz grades are worth more than homework. So good luck. Have a good weekend, and see you guys on Monday.